Your outside world matches your inner world. There is a clear mirror effect between your normal thoughts, main assumptions, and your real life. This mirroring happens because your subconscious mind takes whatever your conscious thoughts believe as total truth. The subconscious then faithfully reflects those beliefs in your life conditions. Your subconscious is like a fertile garden, growing whatever seeds are planted there without judgment. It doesn't question or argue with conscious thoughts. It just accepts them as plans for matching real conditions. So your common thoughts and main assumptions become self-fulfilling prophecies. Your mental patterns shape your subconscious beliefs, which then project themselves into your life conditions. In this way, your outer life mirrors your inner thoughts, whether those patterns are helpful or harmful. This shows why managing your self-talk is key to handling your life conditions and experiences. Your current personal reality mirrors your existing subconscious beliefs back to you. So, to change any part of your outside world, you must first shift the related inner assumptions and patterns keeping it up. Just trying to control things by effort alone is useless. The outer mirrors the inner. Reach the source within to change the cause, and the outer effects will naturally change. To help this change, you should subscribe to us for daily content. As above, so below, impressions reveal expressions. Heaven is in you. Your personal mind world is key, and the outside experiences mirror your subconscious conditioning. This is the secret behind all causality and manifestation. The conscious mind is the gatekeeper, choosing what thoughts, ideas, and beliefs make it to the receptive subconscious garden. One job of your conscious mind is guarding your subconscious from false or limiting impressions. You must watch what you let take root in your inner world. The subconscious accepts any conscious belief or assumption as total truth, instantly working to reflect it in your reality. There's no debate between the two minds. The subconscious trusts the conscious thoughts. There's a constant interplay between your conscious and subconscious minds. A thought, want, or picture held firmly in your awareness repeatedly makes an impression on your subconscious until it becomes an accepted belief. Your subconscious then makes that belief real in your outside world. So stating goals as complete, praying a lot for wanted outcomes, or picturing ideal situations all help reprogram your subconscious assumptions and beliefs around that thing. This shows why clarity and repetition matter. Regularly picturing, stating, and feeling your wanted goal or condition ensures enough subconscious impressions for it to become your reality. Half-hearted or weak efforts fail to adequately overwrite old subconscious programs and beliefs. Just planting seeds consciously is not enough. They must be continually nurtured until firmly rooted in the subconscious garden. Mentally rehearse and feel your desire as already complete. This allows it to become a set subconscious program steering your reality. Become an alert gatekeeper of your mind, refusing negative impressions. Weed out destructive thought patterns before they take root, and actively nourish empowering assumptions you want to grow. Leave a comment below to tell us how you'll weed out your destructive thought patterns. Track your habitual self-talk. Catch any defeating comments like, "This never works out," which sabotages your conscious intentions. Such thoughts interfere with positive efforts by negating the subconscious activities you want to start. Regular meditation on your goal or desired state impresses it ever deeper until it becomes your automatic reality. With clarity comes manifestation. By filling your mind with the forms you want mirrored in life, you reshape your world. Your subconscious is endlessly creative but also neutral. It works by universal mental laws, not personal choice. Your subconscious can't selectively pick which of your conscious beliefs to make real over others. Like a mirror, it reflects all impressions equally. This gives you huge creative power as your conscious thoughts seed and program your subconscious garden. But with such power comes responsibility. You must intentionally steer your thoughts, assumptions, and visions. Random impressions bear equally real fruit once rooted in your subconscious soil. Your mind is a powerful creative tool. Use it carefully. Gently guide your imagination to sculpt a blessed outer life. Engage in uplifting visions, noble thoughts, and selfless action. Accept responsibility for the seeds your garden grows. Don't let negative thoughts rampage uncontrolled. And be cautious about blindly accepting limiting inputs from confused others. Reject fear-based patterns before they become fixed programs. Maintain control over your inner world by keeping empowering beliefs through concentration. Value the endlessly creative yet neutral nature of your subconscious mind. It responds to your conscious direction, wanting only to make real your repeated request or command. So make sure you ask for your highest good. Your subconscious reflects your beliefs exactly, whether positive or negative, helpful or harmful. You aren't at the mercy of random thoughts or other people's confused suggestions. You are the chosen master of your mind, the director of your fate. Lovingly discipline your inner world by steering your imagination toward the good, beautiful, and true. Reclaim control over your inner kingdom. You are the master of your inner world, which shapes your outside conditions. Consider carefully what visions and images you allow to occupy your imagination and thoughts, for whatever assents to dominate your conscious mind will impress itself upon your subconscious and then project into your reality. Your relationships mirror your assumptions and expectations about yourself and others. For example, if you feel unworthy or have a fear of rejection, your self-doubt attracts disinterest or hurtful remarks from others. But if you nurture self-love and self-respect, you naturally attract relationships confirming your value. You encounter in others what you meet in yourself. The same principle applies to how you generally see people. If you focus on perceiving the good and potential in all people, then you find cooperation and mutual growth. If you habitually see only flaws everywhere, then those limiting qualities reflect. Your relationships provide a spiritual mirror, revealing your beliefs. When you find yourself dealing with a challenging person or situation, that only reflects your need for inner growth. All your experiences move you toward greater wisdom and mental health. Make sure you subscribe so we can help you move towards that inner light. So nurture within yourself the noble qualities you want to see. Lift your view of others and watch it reflect what you wish for yourself. Shift your inner mirror and behold outer relationships transform. In short, your relationships, adventures, and surroundings all mirror the nature of your habitual thoughts, expectations, and subconscious assumptions, both positive and negative. Watch your mental diet and weed out limiting beliefs. Keep expanding your spiritual truth, and it'll reflect what you attract from people. Then your outer will mirror the new positive shape of your inner. The people and situations attracted to you match your inner state. Therefore, to draw ideal relationships and circumstances, first become your highest ideal self. The universe will only reflect what you shine. An impersonal yet intelligent matching law operates constantly. So consider what's planted in your inner garden, for their fruits will mirror externally. To attract positive conditions, become inwardly positive. Cultivate inner positivity, love, peace, wisdom, goodness to attract their mirrors externally. Wherever negativity persists, nourish the missing positive trait within, for you are master of your thoughts, shaping fate. Guide your inner world toward truth, and your outer reality will bloom in abundance. The outside world mirrors your state of mind back. Its reflections show you where you need to grow. Outer change requires inner shifting first. Each outer reform hits its limits until the inner cause moves. All beautiful visions become real when your inner and outer mirrors unite. Everything to master your life exists within you, so master your thoughts, assumptions, and expectations, the seeds growing into your reality. The cosmos endlessly reflects your state of mind to you. So tend your mental garden, pulling out anger, fear, and lack weeds. Plant seeds of love, joy, and abundance. Then watch your world bloom with delight. Comment below if you'll start tending to your mental garden. As inside, so outside, the outer shows the inner. Know this truth and use your creative power helpfully. Keep your inner mirror clear. Then see your highest visions made real. First, nurture wisdom, love, acceptance, and trust within. Then watch them unfold externally.